Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you a best powerful strategy that you can use in crypto, forex and stocks. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. So first open TradingView, and now let's add our indicators. Click here and search Viewman and add this indicator to your chart. Now go to this indicator settings and in the install section and check these options like me. And now let's add another indicator. Click here and search this word and add this indicator to your chart. Now again click here and search the STC indicator and add it to your chart. After adding, go to STC indicator settings and in the input section change this number to 80 and change this number to 27 and then click OK. We use the STC indicator to confirm the signal, and this strategy will help you to increase your win rate. So now it's time to subscribe to my channel. How to use this strategy? For a long position, this line must be green and move up. Then the STC line must in oversold area and change color to green and move up. Then when the buy signal appear, you can take a buy position and look at here, this line is green and move up, and the STC line is in oversold area and changed color to green, and we have a buy signal. Then we take a buy position here. So for a sell position, this line must be red and the STC line must be in overbought area and change color to red and moving down. And then when the sell signal appear, you can take a sell position. And look at here, and this line is red and the STC line is in overbought area and changed color to red and moving down. This signal is confirmed and we can take a sell position here. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.